from Besant Technologies, Electronic City. Today we are here to discuss about the success story of our student Pavankumar. He is from Andhra Pradesh. He joined Fullstack Master program here and placed as a Fullstack developer.
Good morning guys, myself Pavankumar. I completed electronics engineering in 2023 passed out, and after that I joined the Besant Technology and I took Python Fullstack course. My trainer was Vignesh sir, and coordinators are Bala sir, Tangapandi sir and Santosh sir. And after completing the Fullstack course, I got placed in one of the software company as a software engineer. And thanks to Besant Technology and team for providing this wonderful opportunity to get placed in one software company as a successful software engineer.